guys, today in this video we are going to talking about how you can cancel your Dubai Islamic Bank credit card, or you can say DIB bank credit card. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, we are on the official website of DIB, and on this website you can see there is a phone number, and there is a number, this one number, as you can see. So hope this number is visible, and you can dial this number, or you can dial this number, and or you can also dial this number. As you can see over here, there are three numbers. You can call on any number, which number is easily available, and once you get connected, you can ask them that you wish to cancel your credit card, and they will guide you each and every steps and procedure. You are eligible for your cancellation or not, they will guide you each and everything. So by using this method, you can easily cancel your DIB bank credit card. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.